Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Marts Digital MXD 2001V2 full range amplifier. The Marts Digital MXD 2001V2 is a full range amplifier designed to deliver powerful and precise sound with sleek style. Capable of producing 2000 watts at 1 ohm, this amplifier is ideal for those seeking high performance audio. The amplifier's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to install, and the included bass knob allows for enhanced control over your sound experience. This amplifier comes with several advanced features to optimize sound quality. It boasts versatile frequency responses of 10Hz all the way to 22kHz, and offers a precise crossover control, including a low-pass crossover from 40Hz to 22kHz, and a high crossover from 10Hz to 1kHz. The MXD 2001V2 also includes a bass boost feature, adjustable from 0 to 12 decibels, for added depth at low frequencies. With a high signal-to-noise ratio of 95 decibels and a low harmonic distortion of 1% THD, this amplifier ensures a clear and accurate audio output. Version 2 of this amplifier introduces upgrades such as an aluminum case bass knob and power protecting and clipping LEDs integrated into the faceplate for easier monitoring. With its robust power capabilities, precision controls, and convenient features, the Marts Digital MXD 2001V2 full-range amplifier is a top choice for those who demand performance and style for their audio systems. Now let's talk a little bit about its price. This amplifier comes down to $215.10, and if you are interested in getting this item, you can purchase it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/Marts Digital. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.